Welcome to Philosopher's Hustle. Want to know the real secret to doubling your money? Here's the shocker. It's not working more hours. That just makes you tired, not wealthy. I used to think staying up late, chugging coffee, and grinding non-stop was the answer. But guess what? I burned out. My brain said, nope. My wallet didn't grow either. So here's what actually works. Step 1, get help. Stop doing everything alone. Hire a helper, ask a friend, or build a small team. You're not a superhero. You don't have to do everything yourself. Step 2, use tools. Let apps or systems do the boring stuff like sending emails or keeping your calendar straight. There are so many tools out there to help you work smarter, not harder. Step 3, learn fast. Find people who already did what you want. Read their book, take their course, watch their video, and copy what works. Don't reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who already succeeded. There's a quote that says, "Don't be busy, be productive." Tim Ferriss. It's easy to be busy, but being productive is where the real growth happens. So if you're tired of the hustle and grind mentality and want to make smart money moves without losing your mind, follow Philosopher's Hustle for more tips and tricks. And if you're ready to grow without going crazy, drop a rocket emoji in the comments. Let's see how many of you are ready to level up.